Hey Boos, thanks for tuning in to another video on the Young Monarchs YouTube channel. My name is Tiara, and as you can already tell by the title of this video, I recorded my summer wash and go routine. I love the summer wash and go routine because you don't have to use gel to achieve the super defined, voluminous type of hair, and I love big curly hair, and that is exactly what these products help me get. So if you want to see how Design Essentials Naturals products work on my 3 to 4 type hair, everywhere is a little different curl pattern, stay tuned. You will not want to miss this because I love these products. So I start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. This is my hair with no product on it. Today I'm going to be using Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner, their curling cream, and the Amla hair oil. I love these products, so we're going to get into each of them as I put them in my hair. I start off with sectioning my hair in 4 different sections. This gives me a better chance of making sure all the products gets in my hair and it's as defined as possible because I'm taking my time. On my hair, different parts have different curl patterns, different act right, so this is the best way for me to get it together. I start by making sure my hair is damp to wet before I put any product in it. And today I'm starting off with the Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner has jojoba oil, chamomile, and other nourishing botanicals that are meant to soften and smooth your hair. I really like this leave-in conditioner in my hair. This is my second time using these products now. Well, the Design Essentials products, and it's really easy to get the product through my hair. Has great slip. It's not hard to comb through. I didn't necessarily have to use a comb by doing this, but I noticed in my hair, my curls come out way more defined when I do use like a comb or a Denman brush. So I'm just going to put the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair. As you guys saw, if my hair ever feels too dry, I can either spray it again or just add a little bit more leave-in until we get it all smooth in there. After the leave-in, I use the Design Essentials curling cream. And I love this curling cream because it doesn't leave any white residue on your hair. It smells amazing. It has sweet almond and avocado oils in it. And usually when I use certain creams, I don't like it because they stick to my skin or my clothes, and then afterwards it leaves some type of little residue. But this cream did not do that at all. It made my hair feel just even more moisturized and penetrated than any other cream that I've used recently. And I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but it didn't feel like the cream was sitting on top of my curls. It really felt like it was helping my hair moisturize and stay good. So in the summertime, instead of sealing with a gel, I'm going to be using the Amla hair oil. My little sister put me onto this oil, and I have been hooked ever since. It smells absolutely amazing. It's an amla fruit, which is an Indian gooseberry, and it also has a blend of vegetable and mineral oils. It's meant to maintain long and healthy looking hair. This oil has made my hair grow a lot this summer. I think in February my curly hair was about 3 to 4 inches shorter than it is in this video. It was a little bit longer than my shoulder. And since my sister put me onto this oil, I've been using it not every single day. I've been using it every other day, and it's really been making my hair grow amazing. So now I'm going to use this LCO method on the rest of the sections in my hair, and then come back and show you guys one last walkthrough of it all. just fist pumping like I was at the Jersey Shore. I love that little tune. I love a groovy tune. Y'all will learn. Check out my intro. So this is the last section of my hair, and I just wanted to walk you guys through those steps one more time. I make sure my hair is damp with the spray bottle. I've been using the almond and avocado leave-in cream by Design Essentials, and I absolutely love, love, love it. Following up from the leave-in with the Design Essentials curling cream, which is amazing and has helped my hair stay so defined. And then I'll be finishing it off. Well, so this section of my hair is the most difficult, the one that doesn't act right. There's a piece in my hair in this section that just does not get curly. I've thought about shaving off the whole section and just starting fresh. I've thought about trimming it down and covering it up. It's been like that my entire life. This one section does not curl and it's fuzzy, so it's real ugly. But to seal in my summer wash and go routine, I'm definitely recommending this Amla hair oil because it will make your hair grow. You see the shine in these curls. Just get you some Amla oil. That huge bottle you see was $11 on Amazon, and it has lasted me since May. But I use it like every couple days, twice a week. But once my hair has all the products in it, I take a little more of that Amla oil because, like I said, smells amazing. Has been making my hair grow and shiny, all that. Put a little bit more of that on my curls. And then I'm going to just let it air dry. Let my hair air dry for maybe 15 minutes before I diffuse the rest of it. So in this next frame, you're going to see my hair about 50 to 75% dry. One side of my hair dries a lot faster than the other, so volume is a little off on this one. But as you can see, these products is popping in my hair. I was obviously feeling it, taking in all the sun, honey brown skin, giving you skin, fresh skin, a little shiny, curly hair, defined, all that. So this is my hair about 95% dry. Like I said, it is a little damp, so one side of my hair always takes a little bit longer to get as big and juicy as the other side of my hair. But I really love Design Essentials products. This is my first time ever using these Design Essentials natural products, and these are the only two I have, but I'm about to get the shampoo, the conditioner, the creamy custard. Like, I want the whole line of these because they make my hair smell good. My curls are super defined without me using any gel. It's voluminous, curls is popping. And yeah, this is like a quick, simple little wash and go routine. I love, love, love these products, like I said. This video is sponsored. So Design Essentials. I need more. But thank y'all for watching this video. I'm feeling cute. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to see more beauty videos on our channel, more hair videos, if you have questions, just leave them all in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to take this journey with us. If you guys like this video, and I hope to see you on the next one.